This morning is so calm. Last night too was like one of the calmest days. And we're still at Black Cay. Today's supposed to be low. And we're gonna go snorkel over here. Perfect day for that. I think the coral's gonna be really interesting. It's right out to the ocean on that side. Water is super clear. And started the day with meditation and a swim. It's super, super hot. The only downside is bugs actually can fly from the island out to the boat now, but it's not the worst thing that can happen. So we're planning a bonfire tonight on this beach. The island's uninhabited, so it should be perfect with no wind. And yeah, I'm actually enjoying just like a normal swim. Getting solar right now, uploading a video as I speak. Hopefully at the end of the day that will be done. That will be cool. All right.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow.
Sometimes you just have to let things go, drop them, simply because they're heavy. We are gonna go diving! Yoo-hoo! It's supposed to be a lot of coral heads and open water. You look excited.
We got a nice calm day finally, so I can't wait to good visibility.
bonfire on the beach today. It's coming down to sunset, and we've been gathering firewood. We found this little spot up here, and it's gonna be really awesome.
Welcome at Alex's farm. Thirsty?
Welcome to our new island.
Black Cay special. What do you want more?
Ooh, fresh lobster tail, potatoes, lobster legs, and next mahi. Yeah, look at the size of this.
Oh, and we also have your
That'll show.
yellowtail jackfish.
Oh wow, and a beautiful sunset, and a beautiful mistress.
You're working at, did you see that?
Yeah, no pants though, still no pants.
I don't rock pants anymore.
You really didn't see cooking lobster and mahi on a fire on a private beach with a sunset in the background? That didn't come to your mind? On a private island?
I don't think we'd be catching that much food.
Whoa! Guess is gonna have a party tonight. Cheers, everybody.
Oh, we need to put the camera on slow-mo mode after it.
There's still more lobster for anybody who wants it. Nah man, I'm already full.
I'm so full.
Yeah. Too much mahi.
I know. I
That
don't even
darn
know.
fish, it just fills you up.
What?
Follow my lead.
No.
All
Last
right,
time I
guys.
did that, I ended up in
Shut
jail.
up. I don't have battery. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and we would really appreciate it if you would like and share the video, and if you do like it, consider to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and leave a
I don't
comment.
know where you're gonna put the bell. Can you make the bell follow my finger?
Leave a comment down below if you want to know why Cody is a big goofball, basically.
Leave it down here.
See you next time.
Down here. Can you do it this low?
How low can you go?
How low can how low can you go with this? Is it here?
There are certain things you can't change or even affect. As doing nothing is one of the hardest duties of man, it is necessary.